Hey guys, and welcome to another video with the girl Queen T. So as you can already tell from the title down below, this is going to be an epic prank. This is my second attempt on doing a prank on here. The first one was hella funny, but it was dark as hell, so I'm never uploaded. So this is my second try. Guys, don't just see with me. So I'm gonna prank hero and tell him, say, no, I'm going to get him as horny as possible and then tell him I'm not in a mood. But don't know, say, I'm gonna get a rape case tonight, but that's what I'm gonna do and see how it goes. So guys, I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you could just help me out, that would be greatly appreciated. And thank you. My God. Remember to subscribe to my channel, guys.
Just set in your head. Really? Come on.
Hero. Ended up doing all day today. Alright, come here. Let me see.
Let me see. That's that road I have though.
No, me got self, me get my Yes? No. This one here by the golden show.
No, you're mad.
People palm me, me say.
Shit. Oh, I forgot to buy. I need more on this. Yeah. No,
Who was that? Give me the golden shower.
It's never second. My face on pain. car. I take up this money here.
What are your pants in my bathroom?
This is in my pants.
Yeah, what is $50?
Only $50. How many things are this? $50 here? Take up this. Come with $50 here, so I'm Mr. Silver did it. This is to wash.
Guys, in our work, they continue to call my phone, so you better continue a jump off, because yeah, my phone may use. So, it continue stuck. And friend him just anxious to take off him clothes, so I never want him to take off him clothes in my camera, so I can't do them a prank with them, my money. My money love to take off clothes. So, you got to give me some ideas on what to do next. I just look apart at my catch, because they keep on a call the phone. So, it come off. Yeah, the video. What's she in? So guys, yeah. Just a little piece that me catch. So, still subscribe to my channel, as I said before. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. Right, babe? 1,000 subscribers. So just subscribe. And remember to comment and let me know what I can do next. Yeah. Because my camera dead. And I was planning on using the tablet, you know. But then, I don't know, you don't know, so something wrong. I always have it in my hand. But yeah. Yeah.